Yes, it's 5 star for me. The preparation, the look, everything. Guys, Cajun chicken pasta. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to another 5 star cooking. Today I'll be doing some Cajun chicken and some pasta. So this is a one pot meal, but I'll be doing it a little different. I use garlic, a little oregano, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and Cajun seasoning, a little pink Himalayan, a little creole to season my chicken. You want to make sure you rub that meat on, and I use some chicken breast. It was 3 pounds of chicken breast. Once you do both sides, I added some avocado oil on this because I'll be doing this in my air fryer. For my pasta, I'll be using Parmesan, Asiago, and another cheese. And I'll be using fettuccine nest, some tomato, yes, a little garlic, yes, and some onion. So here I'm about ready to put my chicken strip or chicken breast in to have it cooked in my air fryer. I did not add any spray or anything. I just added my chicken in it and I did each side for 15 minutes. Let me tell you something. When you see all this chicken chopped up looks, tell me it's better than even chili. So my pasta has been cooked and I'll be making my sauce from scratch. Yes. See here, I started to take out my Cajun chicken from my air fryer. Once removed, you want to make sure the chicken is not dried out. You want a juicy chicken. I added the rest of my chicken. Here is my sauce. And I do have a video on my channel on how I made this Alfredo sauce. Here I'm adding in some Parmesan cheese. I did powder and I did grated cheese too to get this creamy and thick pasta mix. Look at my Cajun chicken, golden. Let me tell you something. My daughter said this tasted even better than chili. Home cooked meals are important, essential, and economical. At least you know what you're putting in your pot. You're doing this from your home. It's cleaner, it's healthier. It's not leftover food. It's food that you freshly seasoned and prepared. Here I am chopping my chicken because when you buy that Chili's Cajun chicken pasta, you get the chicken slices look like this. You can have this chicken even in salad. So you can make a Cajun salad with these chicken. Look at them. Looking so juicy. The Cajun seasoning is what gave it that color, and let me tell you something, the air fryer did its job. Look at the protein. Here is the pasta. And listen, I'm Jamaican. I don't have to eat rice and peas every Sunday. This was a Sunday dish with some asparagus on the side. Please remember to give your girl a like. Let me pause. Thank you for liking the video. It's free. Please remember to give me a like. It will support my channel and also help to get me in YouTube's algorithm. Know you homegirl love pepper, so of course I had to add additional chili pepper on my Cajun pasta. There is a plated dish of what my dinner looked like. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for your support. Please remember to give your girl a like, Please remember to share my videos. Look at it. Look at the plated meal. Looks even better than the chili meal. Your girl is working, and I garnished this with some green onions and of course some parsley. This tasted really, really good. Cajun chicken with some homemade Alfredo pasta. Thank you again for stopping by, showing love and giving your support on my YouTube channel. Help me to get them watch hours up, please. And please remember to give the videos a like. It's free. The like finger is at the bottom left corner of each video. Thank you again for coming by to see my 5-star cooking and what I did today. So many other videos coming up, so much in store to put on my channel. Looking forward for your support in the form of watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing all these videos. Thank you.